Am I audible? All of you? Compatible pairs are. How is this image? Or I will improve that. State left in this final compatible sets from our state table. A is here, B, C, D, E, F. Right. So all the states are included. Therefore, we know there is no any separate state, uncomparable states in the state table or incomplete this state table. Therefore, we can state these things right away now. Now the question is, so this is fine. We got some comparable states now. So if you straight away proceed your implementation, then you may feel that, right? This is one state, another state, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 states we need to make now. So in order to get the maximum compatible pairs, we need to go for the merger diagram. That is the help of the merger diagram. So when you plot the merger diagram with the help of this final pairs, final compatible pairs we obtained out of the implication table, it is possible to formulate the maximum grouping. Maximum grouping means how many states can be connected together, can be grouped together, so that all those states can be assigned by only one state now, right? So that what we called maximum compatible groups or maximal compatible groups, correct? So to that formulation के लिए we need to proceed for the merger graph. Merger graph, right? So the implication table will not give you the optimum state reduction. The merger table is required to find the optimum merger reduction now. So the merger graph is very simple. So that is like that. You draw one circle. Draw one circle. I have taken this example so that you will practice for this one also now. That is why I have taken. Take one circle. How many states are there in the given state table? Totally
6.
6 states are there. What are they? Lico here. A, B, C, D, E and F. Lico like this. Over the circle, you write all the states A, B, C, D, E, F. E, F. Now you connect all the vertices, means all these states. A, comma B are compatible, no? So you connect them. A, B, you connect. Because A and B are compatible. That we came to know from this implication table. Then A and C also connect. A and C are compatible. A and C also connect. Then A and D connect. A and D connect karo. Then B and E connect. B and E connect karo. Then B and F connect. B and F connect karo. Then C and D connect karo. C and D. And E and F. E and F. So just we connected all the points as per the compatible pairs we obtained out of this implication table. Understand? Simple. The merger graph is very simple. Like drawing a rangoli. इधर वो एक डॉट इधर एक डॉट ये कनेक्ट करो वो कनेक्ट करो वो पूरा बच्चा के में. So as you come up no, when you come to your second year, next semester, then PhD no, all the problem will become chota problems. But the only thing is we should go in depth. That is a specialization no. Okay. So this is done now. Now we need to look for the size now, geometrical structures now, geometrical structures. That means any line is there or any triangle is there and any rectangular is there, any hexagon is there, that we need to look for any kind of such a geometrical structures now, right? So when you look for the structures, you can say that this is one triangle, this forms one triangle. Correct, no? It forms a triangle. So I can say this is a triangle 1. Triangle 1. Then any more triangle formulation is possible here. One more triangle here is possible. Triangle 2. Triangle 2 now. Right. Then other than these two triangle, any more structure is there? One line is there. This is a line 1. Dear students, so this merger graph is nothing but some illustration of some geometrical structures. Line. First dot. Dot means only one state that is unconnected to any other states. You got the idea that what we call the dot, right? So suppose here one H state is there that has no connection to any other state, no, that is just dot state. So dot, line, triangle, rectangle, correct no? Then hexagon. We need to look for some kind of structures now. Hexagon will not come in this case now, right? So chudo the dot, line, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle. This we needed to look for the structures now. So when we look for this kind of structures, there are two triangles. So that means it says that B, E, F are having the closed loop flow. Closed loop flow means all those things can be merged together. Right. Therefore, the compatibility are the compatible pairs are the find maximal compatible pairs. Maximal compatible pairs are A comma B because of a line, and then B comma E comma F and A comma C, D comma C, or A comma C comma D. A comma C comma D now. So the A comma B can be merged. This is corresponding to a line. This is corresponding to a triangle. This is corresponding to another triangle now. Right. So these are all the maximal compatible pairs. Maximal compatible pairs. If you compare in the state diagram, you will understand these are all the compatible pairs. But if there is no this algorithm, then we have to break our brain to find all the possibilities. This is since if 6 states, 7 states, we can easily work out. But if there are n number of states, then we needed to have the generalized algorithm, generic algorithm. So this is the algorithm now. So within just 3 states, this may be A, this may be B, this may be C, ho jayega. Or you can take this may be A1, this may be A2, this may be A3. So only 3 states are ultimately required for implementing this state transition application or this purpose. Understand now? So this is the way how we need to apply the maximal compatibility is also required. That means the closed coverage is there. Closed coverage. One more word is there. Closed coverage. That means this state, no, your maximal compatibility should cover all the states. Should cover all the states now. Correct? No? So it is covering all the states here. Therefore, the closed coverage also met. Go to the algorithm. Go to the algorithm. Go to the algorithm. What was the last step in the algorithm?
Apply
Okay. Anvisha. Read Anvisha.
Apply the graph to find the maximal compatible pairs.
Very good. उसके नीचे लिखो step A. Not just sub steps A. Draw a circle. Mark all the states on it. Mark all the states on it. Mark all the states on it. B. Connect all the points connect all the points based on the final compatible pairs obtained from the implication table. Obtained from the implication table. Next step, C. Identify the geometrical structures. Identify the geometrical structures, colon, dots, comma, lines, comma, triangles, and rectangle. Triangle and rectangle. Full stop. Next step. Based on the geometrical structures, find the maximal compatible pairs. Find the maximal compatible pairs. Using the formulated merger graph. It is a merging, no? That is why it is called a merger graph. No any other meaning. Merger graph. Full stop. Go to next algorithm, next step now. Maybe fifth step. The maximal compatible pair should meet the closed covering condition. Should meet the closed covering condition. Closed covering conditions. That is the maximal compatible pairs should have all the states and the conditional compatible states. Conditional compatible states. Okay, good. I will give you one example. You tell me what are all the maximal compatible states in that example. Take down the final compatible states obtained from a implication table are the final compatible pairs obtained from a implication table are A comma B. Lico. A comma B means close bracket. Close and open and close the bracket. A comma B is one pair. A comma B, A comma F, B comma E, B comma C, B comma H, B comma F, C comma D, C comma H, A comma E, E comma F, F and G. Full stop. Find the maximal compatible pairs. Find the maximal compatible pairs using the merger graph. You find and tell me.
Sir? Sir, F and G are separate, last you said. Like you.
No, E comma F, comma G. G is the only one. Okay.
Starting you have said A comma B, after that.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Starting you have said A comma B, A comma E.
F, A comma F.
And A comma F after, sir?
B comma E.
Okay. A comma B, A comma F, B comma E, na sir?
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. All of you work out. I also will work out here. Okay. So tell me, you try to find the structures there. A comma B, A comma F, B comma E, B comma C, B comma H, B comma F, C comma D, C comma H, A comma E, E comma F, and then G. Right? This is the compatible pairs we obtained from the implication table. So to find the maximal compatible pairs, we plotted the merger graph. Therefore, maximal compatible pairs. You tell me what are the structures you are finding here? Any rectangle is there? No or yes?
Rectangle.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. It
B,
looks like
E, F.
quadrilateral.
What are they?
A, B, E, F, sir.
A, B, E, F will form a rectangular. Correct. A, B, E, F will form the rectangle. Actually, there are two triangles. This is one triangle. Correct, no? And this is another triangle. But since we have the rectangle, we prefer the rectangle because we should cover the maximal compatible pairs. Understand now? So we go for triangle. I mean rectangle. What is the pair for rectangle? So you can write first. You write there one rectangle. Then next, any triangle is there?
Yes, sir. BCH.
Good. BCH is one triangle. So this is one triangle. Then any next to triangle is a line. Any line is there?
CD, sir.
CD is one line. Then any point is there?
G, sir.
G.
Point. So point means always it is an uncomparable states. That means that their state cannot be compared to any state, because its output is completely different from the all other states. Therefore, it resulted to a point. So now you tell me the rectangular states are A, B, E, F, and then triangle is B, C, H, and line is C, D, and a point is G. That's all. This is called maximal compatible pairs, and it covers all the states also. Therefore, the closed condition also met. Closed condition also met. Closed condition also met now. Any questions on this one? That's all. These are all the important discussions for asynchronous sequential circuits.
Sir, close condition also meant.
It means you are this all the final maximal compatible states are there. No, that state should cover all the states of your original state diagram. We should not miss any state in our comparison now. Understand no?
Yes, sir.
It should be part of any group, maybe individual or else combined with any other state. Now we should not miss any state. If you miss means you left one state, no, then it is not proper comparison now. Leaving one state, then your circuits will miss that state. Okay, good. Then these are all the important discussions. Next we can proceed into the state assignment. With the state assignment, this module is over. Do we take a 5 minutes break, 5 to 10 minutes break?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then we will continue. You people can take comfortable coffee, tea.